Hello students, I am Nitin and here I am going to teach you Jainism and Buddhism. So let's start. So cause of origin, why Jainism and Buddhism bonds. So first off, Brahmanical domination. Jainism and Buddhism were against the ritualistic interpretation of Vedas and opposed to Brahmanical domination. Brahman, why is Brahman important for his ritual? So Jainism and Buddhism do not like ritualistic type of society. Agriculture economy trade was impacted due to ritualistic sacrifice. Trade was carried by Vaisyas. It means Brahmins will do the work like ritualistic. Chhatri will take participate in war. Vaisya will do trade, and Sudra will do manual work. So this impacted society. Okay. So and third is punch marked coins. Use of punch marked coin started. Then Varna system, Jainism and Buddhism did not attach themselves to Varna system and everyone treated equally. Jainism believed Varnas were on the basis of occupation, not birth. Okay, this is good line. And belief in non-violence. Both the religions believed in the path of ahimsa, non-violence. Okay. Mahavir and Buddha were Kshatriyas. Jainism and Buddhism are considered heterodox. Okay, in context of Indian philosophy, it means that they do not expect the authority of Vedas, unlike Orthodox Indian Hindu tradition. Okay, worship. Jainism believed in divine figures. Jainism. In Jainism, Tirthakas are considered to be great teachers. There are total 24 Tirthakas. ठीक है? Important Tirthakas names, birthplace and represented by first Rishabdev, birthplace Ayodhya and represented by bull. Second Parshvanath, birthplace Varanasi and represented by serpent. Third Vardhaman Mahavira, birthplace Kundgram Vaisali and represented by lion. Then in Vedas only two Tirthakas are mentioned, Rishabdev first and Arishthanan 22. Vardhaman Mahavira, birth 540 BC approx. Kundgram Vaisali Bihar. Okay, and death 468 BC Pavapuri Bihar during the age of 72 years. Fathers Siddhartha, clan Chantratika, he was a Kshatriya. Okay, wife name Yasoda, and daughters Priyadarsana, also known as Anuja, who married Jamali. He was the first disciple of Mahavir. Okay, then Mahavira left home at the age of 30 years along with Makali Ghosala and enlightenment at the age of 42 years under a sal tree at Jambikrama near Rajupalika. First sermon at Pawa. Pawa is in UP. Okay, and meaning of terms related to Jainism. Death mean moksha, enlightenment mean Kaivalya, Basadis मतलब Jain monasteries, Kaivalya मतलब perfectly learned. Jina is a being who has achieved enlightenment and is liberated from cycle of birth. Ajivika sect. Founder is Magali Ghosala. This sect believed extreme fatalism, fate, and asceticism, living extreme form of life by abstinence from worldly pleasures. Jain philosophy and three ratnas. According to Jainism, three principles to achieve moksha. Okay, first K. Right knowledge, Samakhya Jana. F. Right faith, Samakhya Darshan. C. Right conduct, Samakhya Charitra. Five principles of living both Panchvarta. Ahimsa means non-violence. Satya means only speak the truth. Astya matlab do not steal. Brahmacharya means sexually monogamous. And Apigraha means detached from materialistic things, people and places. Okay. And division among Jainas. Chandragupta Maurya and Bhadrabahu left Magadha for Karnataka due to severe famine in Magadha and settled in Saravanbelgola, where Chandragupta Maurya embraced Jainism. He eventually undertook Sanlekhna ritual fasting and passed away. Meanwhile, another group of Jains close to remain in Magadha under the leadership of Stulbhadra. Over time, differences arose between these two groups. The followers of Bhadrabahu who migrated to the south adhered to strict ascetic practice, including nudity as a mark of renunciation, and came to be known as Digambas, sky-clad. On the other hand, the Jains who stayed in Magadha, led by Surbhadra, adopted more liberal monastic rules permitting monks to wear white clothes. The group became known as the Svetambas, white clad. And Jain Council. Now I am going to talk about Jain Council. First Jain Council and Second Jain Council. First Jain Council leader is Sthulbhadra and time period 298 BC, and place is a Patliputra patronized by Bindusara, son of Chandragupta Maurya, and Second Jain Council time period 512 AD and place Vallabhi, Gujarat. Okay, and important books of Jains. So first, Bhagavati Sutra mentioned about Mahajanpad, Tattavata Sutra, Agam Sutra, sacred books of Jain religion, and Kalpa Sutra. And Bhadrabhahu voted first Jain Council, and Jain literature is in Prakrit language. Okay. Now architecture. Rock cut cave temples is in Odisha. Hathi Gufa caves is Odisha, Kharvela. Udaigiri and Khanderi caves in Odisha. Dilwara Jain temples is in Rajasthan, Mount Abu. Statue of Godeswar Bahubali, Karnataka, Sravan Belgula. Ellora caves is in Maharashtra, and Khajuraho is in Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so this is my Jainism, and now I am going to teach you Buddhism. Okay, so first of all, Gautam Buddha, he belonged to Sakya clan. ये साक्य clan से belong करता था. He was also known as साक्य मुनि, तथागढ़ से साक्य मुनि तथागढ़ भी कहा जाता था. बर्थ इसका 563 BC में लुम्बिनी नेपाल में होता है. 483 पावापुरी बिहार में इसका कुशी ने क्या बोलता है, कुशीनगर उत्तर प्रदेश, कुशीनगर उत्तर प्रदेश में. तो इसका डेथ 483 BC कुशीनगर उत्तर प्रदेश में. इसका चाइल्डहुड का नाम जो होता है वो सिद्धार्था होता है. देन मदर्स नेम होता है इसका महामाया, बिलोंग टू कौलिया ट्राइब. इसका जो स्टेप मदर होता है वो होता है महाप्रजापति गौतमी, जो कि फर्स्ट भिक्षुनी होता है. भिक्षुनी मीन्स डिसाइपल, फीमेल डिसाइपल. देन वाइफ इसका सोदरा होता है, सन राहुल होता है. बुद्धा लेफ्ट होम एट द एज ऑफ 29 ईयर्स ओल्ड. एंड फर्स्ट टीचर इसका होता है अलार कलाम. सेकंड टीचर होता है उद्रका रामपुत्र. एंड इनलाइटमेंट उर्वेला बोध गया अंडर योर बोधि ट्री, पीपल ट्री फॉर 49 डेज नियर निरंजना रिवर. ओके, इसका जो फर्स्ट सरमन होता है वो सारनाथ वाराणसी में देता है. गौतम बुद्धा इज कंसिडर्ड एज लाइट ऑफ एशिया, से लाइट ऑफ एशिया भी कंसिडर किया जाता है. एंड इंपॉर्टेंट सिंबल ऑफ बुद्धास लाइफ, टर्म्स मीनिंग एंड सिंबल. बर्थ मीन्स जन्म, लोटस एंड बुल. इनलाइटमेंट में निर्माणा बोधि ट्री. एंड फर्स्ट सरमन कॉल्ड धर्म चक्र परिवर्तनम, सिंबल व्हील. हाउस रिनाउंसिएशन इज कॉल्ड महाविनिष्कर्मण, सिंबल हाउस. एंड इसका डेथ जो है वो होता है परिनिर्माण या महापरिनिर्माण, स्तूपा. ओके, अ फिलोसॉफी ऑफ बुद्धिज्म. देयर आर 4 नोबल ट्रूथ. द ट्रूथ ऑफ सफरिंग, the truth of the cause of suffering, desire, the truth of the end of suffering, and fourth, the truth of the end of the suffering is eightfold path or Ashtanga mark. Okay, so it is followed to 8 sufferings: right mindfulness, right mindfulness, right mindfulness, right view, right intention, right concentration, right speech, right action, right effort, and right livelihood. In the fourth Buddhist council, Buddhism was divided into 2 sects, Mahayana and Hinayana. And Triratnas of Buddhism, Buddha, Dhamma, and Sangha, community of monks. Buddhist council plays patronage and presidency. So first is Rajgiriya, 483 BC, patronized by Ajatasattu, and presidency Mahakasyapa. Second Vaisali, 383, patronized by Kalasok, and presidency by Savakami. Third is in Patliputra, patronized by Asoka, and presidency Mogliputra Tissa. Fourth Kashmir, 72 AD, patronized by Kanishka, and presidency by Vasumitra. And sect of Buddhism, Hinayana, Mahayana, and Vajrayana. So Hinayana, they do not believe in idol worship, text Pali. They do not believe in rebirth of Buddha. Hinayana, and seen mostly in Sri Lanka, Cambodia, in southern India. Mahayana, they believed in idol worship, text Sanskrit. They believe in rebirth of Buddha, and seen mostly in Japan, China, and South Korea. And Vajrayana, Tantric Buddhism in the east, roots Tibet. Example, Sikkim, West Bengal. Buddhist text, Sutta Pitaka, Buddha's teaching sermons, Vinaya Pitaka, monastic or course and truths. Abhidhamma Pitaka, इंटरप्रिटेशन ऑफ सुत्ता पिटका, ओके। एंड थेरावेदा बुद्धिज्म ओरिजिन कहाँ पर है इसका, इंडिया में। एंड पिटका मीनिंग बास्केट, पिटका मीनिंग बास्केट, व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ पिटका, द मीनिंग ऑफ पिटका इज बास्केट, ओके। एंड नाउ in Pali language, Milinda Panho dialogue between Milinda, Indo-Greek kings Meander I and Nagsena. Bodhisattvas. A bodhisattva is a being who seeks enlightenment, bodhi, not just for themselves but for the benefit of all sentient beings. The concept is central to Mahayana Buddhism, where bodhisattvas delay their own nirvana to help others attain liberation. Okay, some well-known bodhisattvas include Padmapani, a bodhisattva who is also known as Avalokitesvara, and Vajrapani, a bodhisattva who is protector and a guide, Vajrapani. Manjusri, a bodhisattva who represents wisdom and considered the Buddha to be. Now, in Sanskrit language, Buddha Charitra, Buddha biography by Ashwaghosh, Buddha biography by Ashwaghosh, Jataka tells, it is about previous birth of Buddha in both human and animal forms, terms and meaning. Chaitya means place of worship, Vihara means place of residence, Dhamma means Dhamma, Stupa means mount where the relics of Buddha have been placed, okay. एंड बोधि क्या बोलते हो, बुद्धिस्ट स्तूपास, स्तूपास एंड प्लेस, केसरिया स्तूपा बिहार लार्जेस्ट स्तूपा इन इंडिया, धामेक सारनाथ उत्तर प्रदेश, रामभार कुशीनगर उत्तर प्रदेश, सांची मध्य प्रदेश, ओल्डेस्ट स्तूपा इन इंडिया, शांति स्तूपा लद्दाख, वाइट इन कलर, चीर टॉफ कहाँ पर है, धर्मराज का तकसीला पाकिस्तान, पीरप्रावा स्तूपा उत्तर प्रदेश, फर्स्ट बिल्ड बाय साक्य डायनेस्टी, भारत स्तूपा वेयर मध्य प्रदेश, बोरोदुर स्तूपा जावा इंडोनेशिया लार्जेस्ट स्तूपा इन द वर्ल्ड, केसरिया स्तूपा डिस्कवर्ड बाय कॉलिन मैकेंजी एंड एक्सक्रीटेड बाय के मोहम्मद, ओके। नॉट नाम डॉर्लिंग मोनेस्ट्री, ये बुद्धिस्ट मोनेस्ट्री इज लोकेटेड इन बयालुप्पे कर्नाटका, इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज अ गोल्डन टेम्पल। इंपॉर्टेंट मोनेस्ट्रीज, थिस्की लद्दाख, थिस्की लद्दाख, हैमिज लद्दाख, रुमटेक सिक्किम, किकी गोम्पा हिमाचल प्रदेश, आलची गोप्पा लद्दाख, ग्रेट स्तूपा ऑफ सांची। एंड 88 फोल्ड प्लेस ऑफ बुद्धिज्म, लुम्बनी, बोध गया, सारनाथ, कुशीनगर, राजगीर, वैशाली, श्रावस्ती एंड सनकोसिया। It is the oldest stupa of India, built by King Ashoka in 3rd century BC. The carving of stupa was done using sandstone by Sunga dynasty. It has 4 gateways which represent cardinal points north, south, east, and west. First discovered by Henry Tyler in 1880. Chaitya festival is celebrated as Sanchi. Relics of 2 important disciples of Buddha, Sariputta and Mogla Thamma, are kept here. Parts of stupa: Anda means hemispherical dome, Torana means gateway, Methi means pedestrian path, Vedika means railings, and Pradakshina path is circular path around stupa where the bodies walks around. And Sala tree and Sallabhachika Akshi refers to the mother of Buddha, Maya, under Sala tree, giving birth to Buddha. Oh my God. So Jainism and Buddhism completed. Say yourself, I am handsome, I am intelligent, I will dominate the world. When you will say with yourself positive, then the world will reflect positive. Be the master of your emotion.